Hey Tyler, this is Daniel with 422 Studios. I'm just going to walk you through how to use the back end of your website so that you're familiar with everything and how it actually works. As far as the front end, it doesn't need a whole lot of explanation. It's pretty self explanatory. It just works like a normal shop. So, as far as the blog goes, what we've done is we've installed a WordPress blog for you. There are thousands of templates you can install and all kinds of cool extra things you can download for WordPress and everything else. So we didn't reinvent the wheel on that. We just basically use that. This is going to be an excellent SEO tool because you'll basically be writing articles that have to do with search engine optimization and everything else. And I will make another video on how to do that. Or I'll just explain it to you in the email or something else, but I definitely will let you know. As far as how to use WordPress, if you just go to WordPress.com and you click on their Docs button, they have a whole user guide on how to use it, but it's very self-explanatory. It's real easy to use. I'll send you the username and password for that. As far as the main site goes, how you're going to log in is you're just going to, on your main... I will send you your admin login, but it's going to be something like your site /index.php/admin. So whenever you go ahead and log in here, you're going to have basically the ability to manage, and you'll have a login and password, which I'll send you. But once you log in, you can manage brands, categories, products, customers, and orders. I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. For brands, you basically, when you click it, you're going to have a listing of all your brands here. If you want to add a brand, you just click the button and you title it. Let's call it 422 Studios. You pick out a picture to upload with it and you hit add brand. And it goes ahead and uploads the picture, puts it in the right folder, and adds the brand. There it is right there. And you'll notice if you go on the front end of the website, you'll notice that the brand is added. So that's pretty easy. If you want to delete it, you just click delete brand and then hit OK. Yes, I want to delete it. And it goes ahead and it deletes it. For categories, you've got a category tree here. This is pretty easy too. If you want to add a subcategory, you've got your main categories in blue and your subcategories in gray. So say you want to add a category to shirts, you just hit add subcategory. And you can call it whatever you want. We'll call it shirt sub because we're going to delete it. And it automatically adds. This happens on the front end as well. If you look at the front end and refresh it, you'll notice that when you go to shirts, we've got that new category there. So that's all automatic as well. You just can click delete. If you choose to delete a subcategory or a category, it deletes all of the products in that category as well. So be wary of that if you do delete any. And you won't be able to do that on accident because it asks you if you hit delete category. It says, do you want to do this? It makes sure you say yes before it does it. So that shouldn't be an issue. As far as products go, you're basically going to get a listing of every product in your store here. If you want to drill down to a specific thing, like say you wanted to look at hats and you click filter products, it will filter down to that. Because there's no products in this category, you get this message. But say you looked at like shirts where it does have some and you hit filter, it'll just show you your shirts where you can either delete or add a new product. If you click add a product, you're just going to select your category. So let's say we want to make a shirt. You're going to make shirts and hit continue. If you just want your product in your main category, you just leave it no subcategory and hit continue. If you want to put it under one of your subcategories you've made, you just select which one. So let's go ahead and put it under dress shirts. Hit continue. You would just type in your product's title, an item number for it. I would recommend using whatever item number that product is on Amazon or whatever store it is you're selling from. Put the description here, the price, the weight is like rounded up to the nearest pound. You can choose a brand from your list of brands. Tell it whether you want color options. On the color options, you're always going to need a picture of the color swatch. If you don't have, if it's like plaid material or some kind of polka dotted material or something where you can use an actual picture. If not, just make something that shows the color. That way they know what color they're picking. And for sizings, you'll just enter in different sizes, like small, medium, large, whatever. Some products might not need either one of those, so you can leave those on no if they don't. When you hit continue, you have the ability to upload the color swatch and name it. So we'll name it green plaid. And then for your sizes, you can enter up to 8 sizes. And then for your photos, you can enter up to 8 photos. So let me pick a photo here. Hit add product. It will go ahead and upload the product to the database and then redirect you to the products page. You'll notice here that it's added it. Gives you its little thumbnail, tells you everything. If you want to delete it, you just hit the delete button. It's as easy as that. Your customers, you're able to see their name and all their information. You can delete them here, or you can email them. If you hit email, then you just type in a subject, a message, and hit email. It's pretty easy to do. You can do test so you can see it. You'll hit email, and it says you've successfully sent the customer an email. Yeah, I did receive that email, so that is working. Then you can go ahead on orders. This is the custom part of the site. This is something that most other sites don't have, but this is really going to help you guys manage your orders. You basically have a list of every order that's been placed with a unique order number. Anytime that your customers come in, or that you guys come in here, you can see what all they've ordered. So it might be something from Amazon, something from Ralph Lauren, something from somebody else, but it'll all be bunched in one concise order, so you can go place these orders and get the products out to the people as quickly as possible. They go in order of newest on top to oldest on bottom. So that makes it easy for you. You can come in here and say, okay, this was on the 17th. This was on the 12th, so this one's the only one from today, so you can go ahead and place this order. But if there was, like, say 3 or 4, you could print this out and go do what you had to do, or save it, as a PDF or whatever, and do what you've got to do and go place all your orders. Tomorrow when you come back, the newest ones will be on top. So that's how you administer the back end. But other than that, your site's ready to go. You guys just need to come in here and start adding products to it, deleting what you don't want and start adding new products. But it's pretty much ready to go, and that's pretty much that. On the front end, your customers have that ability to log in as well. They can hit view account, and they'll be able to log in here and see their order history just like you guys do. So if they have a problem with an order, they can call in with the same order number you guys are seeing and reference this order, so you guys are all on the same page. Other than that, we're good to go. So I will send you an email to follow this up and a link to this video, and I'll see you later.